Shouts to the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports. I love you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new in Ghana, this is the Ghana's most wanted artist and African dancehall king. Makaya pam pam pam. MDK. Shatta Wale. Everybody, watch me.
Hey yo, Ghana entertainment industry. Me therefore, me no kasei. Energy sem na me de nam Shatta Wale. I am a performance no every ewo Accra Sports Stadium. The President Cup na omobono kotoko against Accra House of Folk. Me therefore, enya sem ketwa Accra ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Come here say Sports Stadium ni de baby o mo de ma se nipa metsa ne de eho nyina ayema. Enu nti Shatta Wale fans a ewo echichiri ne benche ye nyina me gyina Shatta dimu adamu nyina amase se mo ko support ye nua bema no ana bia mu nso empanimfo a omo hwe ma sa adwumade we ba so a omo tena se omo hu se da bi Shatta Wale nso eye Ghana ni musician ono nso hia opportunity ni bi no because come here say nanka nyoma ya achia nanka enyoma ya achia enhwehwe animu ne ase pesami nkumnya no nanka ya doso but nyame nhyira team we na omo tena se a sabi omo organize sa event we ya omo hu se da bi ye nyina ye Ghana fo e wo se sabi ochesu nyame omo chema ne so obia so enkoye se da bia nkrofo bi and besides Shatta Wale ono so ye Ghana ni artist a ono so hia opportunity ni bi ono so hia platform ni bi ono so hia sika ni bi enti entimi nkoba se sabi se local media na se traditional media no empe na asema edru aban mu nso omo so betan no da bi enti mpanifo a sabi omo tena se a omo ehihye show no anase match we omo de Shatta Wale nso kan ho no mo nso onyankopon onhyira mo.
Yeah, so on your screens currently, he's taking the center stage now. Let's go over to the Accra Sports Stadium and enjoy Shatta Wale as he performs during the halftime.
I just want to give a big shout out. His Excellency President Mahama. Everybody says Smiling Mafia. I said, Mama, it is Smiling Mafia. Make I a champion. Yes, shouts to my grandfather, Kofi Abba, I know you guys are here. Shouts to the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports. I love you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new in Ghana, this is the Ghana's most wanted artist and African dancehall king. Make I a pam pam pam. MDK. Shatta Wale. Everyone, watch me. You know, I come here to just let you know, this is a beautiful country. Ghana is a lovely place. I know you guys are supporting Shatta Wale, but the same way I want you to support the government, because the government have good things for us. Even though you are a youth in Ghana, this year, to the next 4 years where they will vote, say we go make money fucking. Cry. 10 years, baby, take what's rightfully mine. But you don't know me. I said, listen, you got on your duku, someone Akada. We like to shoot you. One bullet, I say, Kale, you go make you poo poo. Hey. On a bicycle, so and I'm famous like Mali and the Willa. Hey. I know the kids ask for call your face. Everybody stadium, we have no order. Hey. You know, go be show me nothing. Bring us a go love to stop me. I am the news and I'll make you keep talking. How many years you want to block me? I'm like the hell, you know if you catch me. This fucking beats me, I play up. Make a take for cause I'm sell out. They be hungry, beats me, I stay up. I take America, come fight me here now. Hey, so you know this is the people love me. You know this is I didn't live in luxury. We know all of you, you'll be hungry for this industry. Everybody say. You go be there, you have that day. If you don't know, you for ask, stop rushing. This city, the scene is rushing. I'm God, me, I promise. Hey. Sabotage, the try sabotage. I know be your body, don't give me God. Agenda, everyday agenda. $5,000 for just my cigar. All of you know be hustlers. You don't get out the pitch, better change your mattress. Send who you want, send, I go patch it. Check my records, me I know the law. I know the ink. I did repeat, I know the industry boy. So anything with me I say, I know they watch TV or radio. I say fuck everybody. Right, Ghana, give me that for Shatta Wale. Right. Let me say massive thank you to Corporate Ghana for helping put this together. Wind Energy, Okadeko, Bell Aqua, Luckiest, NPA, Haptel Ghana, PhD.
For Instagram.
So, yeah, Shatta Wale's performance, Eric.
Shatta.
I hear you saying he's a spirit.
Oh, he's a spirit. that guy is a spirit, seriously, because you can see how he's commanding the fans.
Yeah.
And that makes you superior. That makes you, I mean, you are on top. Look at how the crowd were following. I mean, how he was dealing with them. He was making justice to the sound.
Sure.
And then even the president himself, even videoing it.
You understand?
It tells you how Shatta is the King Kong of this country.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's good. It's good.
And we need those King Kongs in Kotoko, right?
Yeah, but you see,
Any December, I say, see any. But therefore, Shatta Wale performance, no, na a top notch. Enye gidi, enye bibi. One who de no. Na a fekrakwa, a class. And to the extent, say, come here, is a timer, Shatta Wale, performing on God. Stadium honina, no beer to nibi. Come here, say, stadium honina, na obia to nibi. And Nadia Bakukra, na fene say, camera sa capture your president, where uniform or the video Shatta Wale. Which in Shira, a was Shatta Wale so. A quiet Shatta Wale, a fast so dressing, a could not stage in so, medofo. Entertainment na nkasano, entertaining people no, a yaduma chadia ye de wo. Ye enforce it, a quiet Wale faso yen in your mano, a yadia ye dia wono. Oya ne den ya untimi say no. One thing a Shatta Wale, ya, my respecting kese pa. Wale timi ya die bi ma obi on, obetima adwene wo sa wonye den. Won't ase. Ye de platform ni ma Shatta Wale no. Wale can nsem nyina wie ye no. First song a Shatta Wale boy ye, the current song a Sebi Medical if you channel shoulder. This is called love. So when your opportunity, stadium kakaka, international media, Ghana media, BFB, was there be. Mini anisu hiya me support. And it is my opportunity ke se bi say ya. Me nya pese min kumunya. Mema wiase nyina hu say nyum bi ho ye friend shoulders. One side, one side, one side, one side. Wale, onyame nhyiraw. Papa obekoso aye kese sa. Udi bekoso aye kese e wo I want to aso mu sa because o wa dwempa. Nyame onhyiraw. Anu ti me therefore fans amutimi ko ye ko support Wale nyina nyame nhyiramo. Other musicians almost call you when you perform your beer yard, and more bianco can be before be antro. So, what contour mu or butchery now, oh, send this Kako Ghana. Mammy come for money transfer amount. On say $1 rate in euros in the pounds, they say, I say, Nemom se wo ye transfer na o pedie ni exchange rate e was soro pa kese di amedofo e lemfi. Eni ji se me wo ni se o ye first transaction na o use the promo code and say referral code Bonah medofo o America and Canada now send you first $100 and I say first $100 Canadian dollars medofo amount $20 cashback. And I don't know more Europe, no Germany, Italy, France, and in important money, so no. Oh, your first transaction, €50, amount €15 cashback. And I don't know more UK, so oh, your first £50, amount £10 cashback. And I say, oh, America, na opese wo ship on nyoma e de come busuan for Ghana na wa mu no udi djuma bi na mo opese o de nyoma no free America e ko Ghana. Eni ji sama me de nam eye Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door to door shipping company. Ufru ma catch say enam TheBonahShow so ena oti omunka. Ombecha 10% discount. Ana ufri akwantum so na okọ Ghana na obepe ba bia da e Kumasi a edin no eye ba kope Pcash Properties. Pcash so ufru ma catch say enam TheBonahShow so na oti omunka. Omo so ombecha 10% discount.